Has it happened to you that the best entry points in the Forex market have failed? One of the reasons for this is the inattention to upcoming economic events. Forex traders use macroeconomic indicators to make informed decisions about buying and selling currencies. For example, if a trader believes that the US economy is going to grow faster than the Japanese economy, they might buy the US dollar and sell the Japanese yen. We have designed a tool that helps you to filter the events needed for your trades better than other calendar providers and display them on the chart. This product is designed to get the economic events needed by traders from the main publishing sources that publish news in real time based on terminals Market Watch with various and easy filters. And it is designed as an indicator so that it can be used on a chart along with other indicators and expert advisors. After downloading TW Calendar from MQL5 Market, it will be displayed in the Indicators section in the Market folder. Click on it to launch. Go to the Input tab. Here you can choose the countries you want to display events. Select the impact of events. If you want to list the events of the meeting and speech, select True. Select the time period to collect event information. Here you can also choose the intervals from the past. All available events are listed by publication time based on your selected filters. The next upcoming event will be displayed here. By clicking on each of the listed items, the corresponding values will be displayed here. To change the settings, click on Filter menu. It is now close to the release time of the event. New values will be displayed as soon as they are published, and its effect makes prices come into play. Trade Wizards thanks you for watching. If you want this utility, just search TW Calendar in MQL5 Market.